Hello everyone. Today we shall discuss exercise 2.6. Question number 4. Solve the following equations. 3y plus 4 by 2 minus 6y is equal to minus 2 by 5. Here the question is 3y plus 4 divided by 2 minus 6y is equal to minus 2 by 5. We know that if a by b is equal to c by d, then we can write a into b, a into d is equal to b into c. We will apply this formula here. That is, this part will be multiplied by 5 and this part will be multiplied with minus 2. Therefore, it can be written as 5 into 3y plus 4 is equal to minus 2. Minus 2 into 2 minus 6y, that is equal to 3 5 is 15y, 15y plus 5 4 is 20 is equal to minus 2 to 4, minus into minus is plus, 6 to 12y, 12y. Now on transposing 12y to left hand side and 20 to right hand side, we get that is equal to 15y minus 12y is equal to minus 4 minus 20, or it can be written as 15y minus 12y, that is 3y. 3y is equal to minus 4 minus 20 is minus 24. On dividing both sides by 3, on dividing both sides by 3, on dividing both sides by 3, we get, by dividing both sides by 3 we get 3y by y, that is y is equal to minus 24 by 3. 3 into 3, 3 8 is 24. Therefore, the value of y is equal to minus 8. The value of y is equal to minus 8, and that is the answer. The y is equal to minus 8. Dear friends, if you like this video, please subscribe, like and share. Thank you everybody for watching this video.